Which mountain is recognized as the highest on Earth above sea level? The answer is Mount Everest. What is the largest rainforest on Earth? The answer is Amazon rainforest. Which is the world's largest coral reef system? The answer is Great Barrier Reef. Which volcano is known as one of the most active in the world? The answer is Kilauea. What is the largest cave system in the world by length? The answer is Mammoth Cave System. Which continent is considered the driest on Earth? The answer is Antarctica. What is the largest island in the world? The answer is Greenland. Which ecosystem is known for having the highest biodiversity on Earth? The answer is tropical rainforests. What is considered the largest canyon in the world by length and depth? The answer is Grand Canyon. The Great Barrier Reef is primarily built by which tiny organisms? The answer is coral polyps.